These are the top 5 developments in what has been a rapidly developing story surrounding Raj Kundra and the porn syndicate allegations against him. The racket is getting more and more murky and explosive with each passing day. Let me quickly recount for you the top 5 developments. The Mumbai court has reserved its anticipatory bail plea which has been put forward by businessman Raj Kundra. The court said that it will now pass its order only on August the 7th. Until then, Raj Kundra remains in judicial custody. The Mumbai police had earlier filed an affidavit stating that they had given a notice under Section 41A of the Criminal Procedure Code to Kundra. But because Kundra did not take it, it meant that he was refusing to participate in the investigation, and so they had to arrest him. Number 2, a new twist in the Kundra case. Was Kundra trying to delete messages, as is being suggested by people in the police? The Bombay High Court has said that the real reason behind Kundra's arrest was that he had started deleting WhatsApp groups and chats, thus destroying evidence. Important mails from iCloud were also said to have been deleted from Kundra's mobile phone. The prosecutor, however, says that some emails have indeed been recovered. More sensational revelations in the Kundra Porngate story. India Today has now accessed WhatsApp conversations that expose the alleged porn plan of Raj Kundra. Makers of the porn films were planning a whole new revolution in pornography in India, says the Mumbai police. It's only an allegation at this point of time. The gang, they say, was in the process of using state-of-the-art virtual reality 360-degree cameras to make virtual or VR porn for the first time here in India. We'll tell you a little bit more about that. Meanwhile, Bollywood star and wife of Raj Kundra, Shilpa Shetty, has finally broken her silence with a direct, on-the-record statement. She's released it on Instagram, where she said the past few days have been challenging on every front. There have been a lot of rumors and accusations. Shilpa Shetty, however, says that she will not comment on the case as it is sub judice at this point of time. Meanwhile, actor Gaina Vashisht, one of the persons who had acted in some of these pornographic films on this app, known to have been at the center of this porn racket, who was arrested in February, has issued what she calls a clarification today. She claims that she was not part of any shoots post the 6th of February, as she was arrested by then. She has cited the charge sheet as proof of her statement. She also claims that she was never forced anyone to make porn films and that she is being singled out and unfairly targeted in this entire issue. Now, weeks after Raj Kundra was arrested for allegedly creating and distributing pornographic content, his actor wife Shilpa Shetty released a 2-page statement today claiming she's been subjected to a media trial. And this comes just a week after the Bombay High Court refused her plea to gag the media from reporting on the proceedings against her husband. Unwarranted aspersions cast on me don't deserve a media trial. I'm a law-abiding citizen. Stop spreading half-baked information. Shilpa Shetty has finally broken her silence on husband Raj Kundra's porn scandal. On Monday, the actor released this 2-page statement where she claimed a lot of unverified claims have been made about her and her family. Shilpa reiterated she's a law-abiding citizen and will not offer any comment on the allegations as the matter is in court.
First time since her husband's arrest in sensational porn racket case, Shilpa Shetty has spoken out. Though she has said that there are a lot of rumors and half-baked information doing the round, she has not commented on specific allegations and charges against her husband.
Shilpa's statement comes days after the Bombay High Court refused to provide relief to the actor when she sought a gag order on media against reporting on the porn scandal in which her husband is right at the center. Shilpa was told by the court that she chose to be a public figure, which meant her life would be under a microscope. Shilpa earlier had also shared a cryptic post on Instagram on surviving challenges, seemingly talking about her husband's arrest. But the actor has avoided the public eye since Kundra's arrest. She has skipped her reality show shoots and hasn't appeared at any public event despite getting a clean chit from agencies on her involvement, at least for now, in the porn scandal.
हाथ धो के नहीं नहा धो के मेरे पीछे पड़ गए थे.
Proof is piling up against Raj Kundra with every passing day, and Shilpa Shetty has been in the line of fire since. While the actor has appealed for privacy for the sake of her family, she hasn't offered a single message of condemnation over how young girls were allegedly lured and cheated by Raj Kundra's firm. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today. And there are more allegations coming out from the Mumbai police. Now, these are, remember, I should tell all of our viewers, only in the realm of allegations that our sources in the Mumbai police are putting out, where they say that the Kundra porn scandal is about to get bigger. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats that apparently throw light on Raj Kundra's pornographic industry plan. India Today has learned that the makers of these porn movies were planning a whole new revolution in pornography in India by bringing in virtual reality 360-degree technology. The gang was allegedly in the process of using state-of-the-art VR 360-degree cameras to make virtual pornographic films for the first time here in India. That's what the WhatsApp chats suggest. The use of virtual reality cameras were aimed at providing a more immersive pornographic experience, say our sources in the Mumbai police. India Today has looked at some of these chats which we've put on our screen between one content maker and one of the wanted accused in the case, Arvind Srivastav alias Yash Thakur. Virtual reality transforms viewing experience, as you know, and is shot in 3 dimensions. In these WhatsApp chats accessed, the accused appear to be talking about the equipment they'll need and what kind of resources will be required to shoot virtual reality, immersive 3D pornography in India, and also gloat about how they're about to create a revolution in pornography in this country. I want to go across to India Today's Saurabh Vaktania, who's broken this fresh angle in the story. Saurabh, it's getting bigger, isn't it? The Mumbai Police Crime Branch now unearthing conversations which you've been able to look at, which suggest that it wasn't just mobile phone pornography and content, but they were planning to embrace virtual reality technology, which we'll explain in a bit, but something that, made a much more immersive pornographic experience. In what kind of detail is the Mumbai police supporting this claim?
Well, absolutely, Shiv. In here, we can clearly see that how ambitious this whole particular racket was. Earlier, we saw the chats of Raj Kundra. He knew that Hotshot was going to get down, and therefore he was planning B in the name of Bolly Fame. And now this particular different gang, see, in this particular pornography racket, there are different gangs who are actually working. Now, this particular gang clearly shows us that how they were planning VR 360-degree virtual porn videos. They are seen talking that how that it is highly, they can earn good revenue, and this is what we are trying to show our viewers, that this particular gang was so much active, so much ambitious, and knew that how much earnings is there in this particular whole racket, and they were trying to bring on different things. This is not our allegation. This is what the Mumbai Crime Branch is saying. This is their evidence which the India Today has accessed exclusively. Now, what this particular gang was trying, Shiv, they were trying to bring in different gadgets, different digital equipment such as GoPro, Omnirig, to make 360 virtual experience. Here in the chat, it can be also seen that how they were discussing the plot, who will be then investigating officer, he will be having sex and all sort of different things. So we are not going into detail of this, but the accused still now even they maintain that this was not porn, but they are sticking to it that this is an erotica. Now how different it is, erotica and porn,
absolutely,
that Mumbai police has to prove it in the court. But for now, more accused are likely to be arrested. The cops are saying 4 more accused in the particular case are still at large. The teams are at different places in hunt of 4 accused.
Okay, Saurabh, thanks very much for getting us this particular angle that the Mumbai police is apparently pursuing. But just as a matter of information, virtual reality pornography, as the name suggests, you probably already understand what that implies. But let me just break break it down for you. These are special immersive pornographic films that are shot with special 3D cameras which need virtual reality enabled smartphones, special virtual reality headpieces. They also need special apps to watch. They offer obviously a much more immersive three-dimensional pornographic experience. Virtual reality gear is already available widely from companies like Google, Oculus, which is owned by Facebook, also Samsung, that is used to transform the on-screen experience into something much more immersive and three-dimensional, not just a flat visual that you're looking at. So VR pornography is the new thing that the Mumbai police is apparently investigating. Now, actor Shilpa Shetty is learned to have broken down when the Mumbai Police Crime Branch brought her husband Raj Kundra home for face-to-face questioning with his wife. Today, she's put out a statement saying she cannot comment since this issue is sub judice. She even went to court to try and gag the media. She didn't get any relief there. And today she put out a statement. But here's a reminder of what happened last week.
They are Tinseltown's power couple, but a porn scandal has rocked their life. It was the ill-fated night of July 18. Raj Kundra was put behind bars after grilling by the cops. And since then, the porn scandal has only become bigger, and each day is a new nightmare for the couple. Raj Kundra was seen as the director of this dirty picture, and questions were raised about his wife Shilpa's involvement in the case. And crime branch officials did come to question Shilpa at her Juhu residence, and along with them, they brought her husband Raj Kundra. It was expected that emotions would flare up as Shilpa was seeing her husband after almost a week. And the Bollywood diva indeed had a meltdown. Yelling at her husband Raj, she screamed, "Why did you do this?" A deeply emotional Shilpa told Raj that the case has brought shame to the family and this has affected the business as investors have now started backing off. A distraught Raj Kundra retorted, "I am innocent and the case against me doesn't stand." He went on to say that he never made porn but only erotic films. Shilpa did buy Raj's defense and told the cops that her husband was not making porn films. During the 6 hours questioning, the Bollywood diva mentioned that porn and erotica are different. She also pointed out towards extremely sleazy content on many OTT platforms and web series. Shilpa denied any involvement in the case and claimed that she has nothing to do with Kundra's app Hot Shots. The cops recorded her statement and said that they couldn't find any evidence against her and won't question her again, at least for now. The cops in a way have given Shilpa a clean chit, but allegations against her husband Raj Kundra are only mounting. Tears, family drama and raging porn scandal probe. This is no less than a Bollywood film itself. With Saurav Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, over the weekend, India Today also accessed certain WhatsApp chats which are under investigation by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. We've had a chance to review some of them, which reveal, according to the Mumbai Police, that he knew someday that his app Hot Shots would be taken down, and therefore he had already started working on a plan B. Take a look at part A of that report.
WhatsApp chats, a smoking gun that reveals Raj Kundra's plan B. News tightening around alleged kingpin of porn racket. India Today has accessed exclusive WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra. These chats reveal Raj Kundra's role in the porn scandal. Raj Kundra made a WhatsApp group H account to handle the operation of porn app Hot Shots. The chats show Kundra's incriminating role in the racket. He was also happy to see growing popularity of the application and the profits it garnered. Kundra also knew that the sexual content app would come under scanner in the future. Therefore, he had kept Plan B ready. Kundra tried to save the application by filing a review request after it was blocked by Google Play. But Google Play Store refused the appeal as it violated their policy on sexual content. Hot Shots even removed the bold content from its platform and refiled a review with Play Store, but the request was again declined. It was then that Plan B was set in motion.
Now, this particular chat shows that Raj Kundra is himself the admin of this particular WhatsApp group. He's talking about the content of Hot Shot. Now, during this,
Hotshot got a notice from Google App Stores saying that it has sexual content and therefore we are taking it down. Here is when Raj Kundra says, no need to worry, plan B is ready.
Kundra had already prepared a backup plan that he was plotting to put in action. Kundra's plan B was to launch Bolly Fame on the lines of Hotshots. He was making logos and finalizing the action plan when the crackdown began. Cops claim that they have sufficient evidence to prove that Raj Kundra was the key conspirator and the WhatsApp chats could be the final nail in the coffin.
Google app declined their appeal and they said they won't start the Hotshot app on their Google App Store because it has lot of sexual content. And this is when Raj Kundra says that thank God we have plan B and it's a blessing. Clearly, this shows that how Raj Kundra was involved in this whole racket, in the Hotshots app making, in the WhatsApp chat, and his ambitious plan for the plan B. With camera person Sunil Ved, this is Saurabh Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
And what exactly was that plan B of Raj Kundra, who finds himself in the middle of this sensational porn ring? He claims his innocence. He's been trying for bail. That bail has not been granted just yet. But India Today has also accessed WhatsApp chats of Kundra with his aides discussing this plan B after Hotshots, in case Hotshots gets targeted by the Mumbai police. He was planning to launch another app called Bolly Fame as a backup to escape law enforcement agencies in India, is what the Mumbai police would have us believe. Here's more.
Sensational porn ring probe widens. Celebrity businessman Raj Kundra's dirty secrets keep tumbling out. The alleged kingpin of porn scandal was suing a web of backup plans. Kundra reportedly was ready with his plan B much before the scandal was busted. India Today accessed the exclusive WhatsApp chats of Kundra with his aide Ryan Thorpe, IT head of his company that nail all his lies. The chats belong to a group called Bolly Fame and had his UK-based brother-in-law Pradeep Bakshi as a participant.
Pradeep Bakshi, one of the wanted, accused and relative of Raj Kundra, made WhatsApp group Bolly Fame. And this was the plan B of Raj Kundra. Somewhere down the line, Raj Kundra knew that Hotshot will be soon taken down and therefore he came up with this plan B. His close associates were continuously working to make this particular platform successful. This was the same group earlier associated with him for the Hotshot group.
Bolly Fame was another app that Kundra was planning to launch as a backup to his Hotshots, which is currently at the center of this explosive porn scandal. He had even narrowed down specifications to escape the law of the land. The OTT application was to be based out of UK. He had purchased a domain and was finalizing logos for the app when the cops exposed his sensational scandal. Kundra was planning to launch the app based on the formats of the other OTT platforms like Amazon and Netflix, with its content categorized for different age groups and specific genres. The chats suggest that an ambitious Kundra had purchased the domain for $7.99 but hoped to sell it at $79 million in future. The latest chats will add to Kundra's mounting troubles, but will it act as the final nail in his coffin? Bureau Report, India Today.